is a taonga, a treasure, I tell you, a wealth beyond measure, riches without comparison, highly prized among people, valuable, but unfortunately getting rarer every day. I bring this topic before you today because of its importance to all mankind. Water, the life giver. Water, the life sustainer. And water, the money maker. Research from Lentech USA tells us that the lack of water is the #1 trigger for daytime fatigue. 8 to 10 glasses of water a day could significantly ease back and joint pain in up to 80% of sufferers. A mere 2% drop in body water can trigger fuzzy, short-term memory, difficulty focusing on a computer or TV screen, and trouble with basic math, like 2 plus 2. 5 glasses of water daily